Master the art of asking questions in English. Hello, learners. Welcome to another exciting lesson on mastering your English speaking skills. Today, we're going to focus on an extremely important aspect of telephone etiquette: asking for information. More specifically, we'll dive into the world of open-ended and closed-ended questions, and how to use them effectively. Let's jump right in. Open-ended questions are questions that require more than just a simple yes or no answer. They invite a conversation by demanding more detailed responses. Examples of open-ended questions are, "What did you do today?" or "How do you feel about the recent changes?" On the other hand, closed-ended questions are those that can be answered with yes, no, or other brief information. For instance, "Did you go to the market?" or "Is it going to rain tomorrow?" When you're on a phone call and you want to gather detailed information, open-ended questions are your best friend. They are a powerful tool when used correctly, so let's delve deeper and learn some common structures. 1. Questions starting with how. For example, "How did you solve this problem?" or "How was your weekend?" 2. Questions starting with what, such as, "What is your opinion on this matter?" or "What were your main challenges?" 3. Questions beginning with why, like, "Why did you decide to take this course?" or "Why do you like this book?" By using these, you can not only gather comprehensive information but also build a better rapport with the other person as you show interest in their detailed responses. While open-ended questions are great for broadening the conversation, closed-ended questions help to narrow it down or obtain specific information quickly. Some common structures include 1. Yes, no questions. For example, "Do you like pizza?" or "Are you coming to the meeting?" 2. Questions requesting specific details, like, "What time is our appointment?" or "Who is the author of this book?" Using closed-ended questions, you can control the direction of the conversation and get to the point quickly when needed. The true art of conversation lies in skillfully using a mix of open and closed questions. Start with closed-ended questions to gather initial information, and then switch to open-ended ones to delve deeper. For instance, closed: "Did you attend the conference last week?" Open: "What were your key takeaways from the conference?" Remember, the balance between the two types of questions can make your conversation more engaging and effective. That's it for today, dear learners. We hope this video has given you a good understanding of open-ended and closed-ended questions and how to use them in your conversations. Remember, the goal is to make your communication clear, effective, and interactive. Keep practicing, and see you in our next video. Happy learning!